In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu to Shopify. We'll walk through this inside your Shopify admin step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home area where you can see your orders, products, and store overview. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Content and click on it. Inside Content, you'll find a section called Menus. This is where Shopify stores all of your navigation, like your main menu and footer menu. Go ahead and click on Menus. You'll see a list of available menus. Choose Main Menu, because that's usually what appears across the top of your online store and is where we'll add the dropdown. Inside the main menu screen, scroll down to the area titled Menu Items. At the bottom, click Add Menu Item. This first item will be your main menu heading, the one that appears on your storefront and reveals the drop-down when someone hovers or clicks it. Type in a clear name, like Shop, Collections, or whatever best describes the group of links you'll add underneath. Next, you need to assign a link to this main item. Click the empty field under Link. A panel will open with different link options. Choose Homepage. This ensures the item is clickable and points to your storefront's main landing page. Once that's done, click Save so Shopify remembers this new main menu item. Now let's add the drop-down items that will sit underneath. Click Add Menu Item again. This time, type the name of the sub-menu item, for example, New Arrivals or Sale. Click in the link field again, and for this walkthrough, select Homepage once more. You can always change these links later to collections, products, or pages. Click Save. Repeat this process to add a second submenu item. Click Add Menu Item, name the submenu, choose the link by clicking the empty field and selecting Home Page, then Save. With your items created, it's time to turn them into a dropdown. In the list of menu items, click and drag each submenu item slightly to the right, underneath the main menu heading. You should see it indent to show it's now a child item. Do this for both submenu items. When you're happy with the structure, click Save again. Finally, go to your online store and refresh the page. You should now see your new main menu item with a drop-down showing your